Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain where to find the Bitcoin price in Zimbabwe today, or basically on a daily basis if you need to find out how much is Bitcoin going for in Zimbabwe. So I'm going to provide that information. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. So let's just get into it. The first website that I personally use is called, I don't know if I can pronounce that, but it's called prev.com, which is prev.com, and you can actually Google that. And I just want to take note that whatever you're going to, how you're going to use this website, you just need to read the disclaimer. Okay. So with that being said, what you're looking here is actually the price for Bitcoin in US dollars. Okay, so one Bitcoin is equivalent to 9,460. So the Bitcoin price fluctuates. It actually goes up and down every second. Now you can see it's 469,461. So if you live in another country like South Africa or another country, you can actually change the price here to British pound. Okay, so one Bitcoin is 7,667 British pound, and if you're in South Africa or Australian dollar, you can actually put in rand there, and you can actually have the price of one Bitcoin in rands. Okay, and then let me go back to USD. Okay, let me see if I can find Zimbabwe there. Okay, Zim dollar. No, Zim dollar. Zim dollar is what ZWD. No, you cannot find it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go back to USD price. Now, we are now back to the USD prices. You can see that the price is actually going up. So one thing you need to take note of again is for those people actually beginning with Bitcoins, you can actually type in 0.01. Okay, and so you can actually get a fraction of Bitcoin. So if you need, let's say, $100 worth of Bitcoin, so 100 USD, you're going to get 0.01055. That's the Bitcoin value you're going to get. This is the Bitcoin USD price. Okay, so if you need $10, if you need 2,000, if you need 100, so you can just calculate and see that in between. So the next thing that you're going to do is when you have the price for Bitcoin, which is 9,475 now, what you do is you say $100. Okay, now you need to find out how much is $100 in EcoCash or bank transfer. The second website that I actually go to is this one, okay, which is called Zimbola. Okay, that's zimbola.co.zw, where you can actually find the rates, okay, that on the exchange. So as you can see right now, is the rate is actually at the mid rate is actually about 10.5. So that means one USD is $10.50 RTGS, and then one USD, this is the sale price, is actually at 11. So how you need to calculate this is you need $100 worth of Bitcoin, and if someone is going to send you Bitcoins and you want to pay them on EcoCash, you need to calculate how much is this much money converted to RTGS. Okay, so according to this rate, let me just get my calculator right here. Okay, you just get my calculator. So that's $100 multiplied by 10.5. Let me just go with 10.5. So that simply means if you need $100, you're most likely going to pay 1,050 RTGS to someone who's going to give you Bitcoins. And the price, you may get it at 10% more. Okay, so you may most likely pay 1,155 to get $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, the most that you could pay for $100 worth of Bitcoin as of today is maybe 1,200. Okay, let me just say 1,200, because what happens is there are some extra fees that Bitcoin sellers actually add on to their actual pricing. Okay, so if it's that's basically how I actually do it. I actually heavily rely on this website. I always check on this website almost on daily basis. Okay, and yeah, so that's how you actually find out the Bitcoin price in Zimbabwe every day. And I've put more resources where you can actually buy Bitcoin. And if you are watching this video for the first time and you don't understand what Bitcoin is, I've created a course which is called learnbitcoin.co.zw. On this website is for beginners, okay, people that are actually getting started with Bitcoin, who don't understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, the Bitcoin wallet, and quite a number of things. So it's quite a hands-on training where you can actually learn and get most of your answers about Bitcoin. So as I'm doing this video, this training is actually free. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a price to it, but you can actually find the link below this video and you can actually get access to it. So if you have any questions, if I missed out anything, please just comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to assist. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.